bulls, I bet I lead the pack. Yeah, I'm grinding right now, cannot hold me back. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside to swing my bat. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside, I pop out the cut like a bat, Put that boy in the mat,
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Janet. I'm back with another video, man. As you can see, we are not in my whip right now, bro. This is indeed not my car. My homeboy did toss me the keys to the scat though, bro. Y'all let me know how y'all think, how y'all see me in the scat. Y'all think y'all can see me in the scat? Hold on. I'm gonna put a bit of sport though, Cap. Ooh, you hear that down shit? Damn. Ain't gonna lie, the downshifts in this bit crazy.
Gotta catch up?
Nah, we're good.
Wait.
What are they doing?
Hey, over there. You gotta swim. Gotta get to over there. They're right there. I don't know what the fuck they doing in the damn. I think we might be getting off soon or something.
We got an exit in the mouth.
Oh. Roll the window down. Too loud. No.
We almost to the car meet though. You see them boys over there. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think though, bruh. Downshift's definitely different in this car. Paddle response definitely different. Like, it's just very responsive, as I should say. But we just pulled up to the car meet, man. You know what I'm saying? And this just goes to show, like, even if you don't got your car right now, or if you're not, like, you know, motivated right now, like, just because not everything is going good don't mean you gotta, like, sit and mope around. You can still get outside with your homies and shit. I'm just parlaying, you feel me, until I get my wheels. But y'all let me know what y'all think though about the scat. I gave y'all a little bit of pulls, and I ain't want to dog my boy car though, and he just put gas in here, you feel me? But you know what I'm saying, let me know what y'all think though about the scat, man. I'm gonna just give y'all some B-rolls and clips of that nature out here, you feel me? And we gonna see what what these boys whips talking about out here, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and yeah, bro, I'm gonna pick back up with y'all a little bit later, no cap.
Yeah, 5'6" shooters too. She tryna run me down masseuse. Yeah, it was just me and Deuce. Stand so tall like I'm on the roof. Yeah, geeked up, I'm in the booth. Grew the magician, he go poof. Yeah, she giving nothing but net, no tooth. Yeah, nothing but net like Swish. I'm a real rock star just like Kiss. Yeah, I hop on the beat, go ballistic. Yeah, kick the cup, I need my kidney. Yeah, my pain is stacked like Bible. Yeah, these niggas, they not my rival. Yeah, big boo, you know I'm psycho. Tell her eat that dick, her cycle. Yeah, we got her, we flipping your towel. Yeah, stack it up just like a pile. All this heat in my foul. I could drop again right now.
They got forced carbon on this bitch.
Yeah, super ski, I drown. Keep your head up, don't beat down. Show no emotions, don't even frown. Said niggas be scared, they run out of bounds. Niggas be scared, they run out of town. Yeah, they scared, they diss from a distance. Yeah, I'm a snake, you know I ain't playing fair like the bad boy Pistons. Yeah, big bro got Smith 45. Yeah, I got a Glock 45. Yeah, she happy that I arrived. Yeah, sometimes I don't feel nothing. All the bad bitches, they outside. Yeah, grew up, I don't got.
Damn, this shit clean. You know.
360 on that.
You see, we out here now, bro. We're waiting on some more of our homies to pull up because they bullshitting. So I'm gonna get up with y'all when they get here, because I don't know what the hell Jaden and them doing. I don't know what my cousin and them doing. That's a scat right there. It's still early though. This shit started like 14 minutes ago, I think. 16 minutes ago, actually. This shit pretty deep for it to just be starting. Bro.
Oh yeah, 6 niggas in there. Yeah.
Bro. That an X6? Oh, that's an X6, man. Damn, I'm deep as fuck. This nigga on the back of the flatbed. I'm getting copyrighted for this.
Yeah, there's the power.
Yes.
But trying to come up tonight.
I'm trying to see what I got there. I can't wait till tough, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. When I do mine, I got it.
Oh, this one? Y'all subscribe to my boy Christian, man. No Kenny. I don't put the damn camera on that bitch. Y'all see him, HP tuner. Y'all see him, HP tuners. Y'all go fuck with my boy. He got the off-white bitch. This bitch so clean too, bro. My boy did his thing with this rap, man. Y'all fuck with him. Bro. Bro, in attacking, we definitely finna have to run. That bitch crazy. That bitch crazy, bro. That shit don't make no sense how loud his shit is. Ain't nobody calling me. Somebody calling you?
I heard your phone ringing.
Nah.
A few moments later. You're going to jail.
As long as he didn't let his foot off that damn brake, we cool.
You're going to jail.
Y'all seen the clips, bro. This is why niggas can't ever have a damn car meet for real. Everybody want to wig out. I don't know what the hell we finna get into, bro. But I'm gonna pick the camera up whenever we down, get situated and shit. It just got too fucking hot. these niggas trying to get content off me.
He ain't lying.
It's all right there. Shit, I don't know. He driving like he going back to the crib. Damn.
Come.
They coming, boy.
It ain't no helis.
Ain't no helis.
Yeah, nah.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
A few moments later.
Go subscribe to my boy, man. Boy, freeing up space and shit. Bro, damn, look at the orange detail on this bitch. The wing too. He got carbon fiber on the wing. People put up in a suit though. That's trim. So what y'all think about that? Damn. Shit hard as hell. Y'all see what's going on, man. after the last spot and all of that, what that had going on and what they was doing, bro, and we just got blitzed, and they want to come to the second low and do this, yeah, not gonna lie, we had to skate, bro.
Said shooters too. She tryna run me down masseuse. Yeah, it was just me and Deuce. Stand so tall like I'm on the roof. Yeah, geeked up, I'm in the booth.
Okay, bye.